Would you like the chance to make $50,000 in a single day? Then let's get straight to the damn point, shall we? Welcome to the fast-paced world of day trading, where fortunes can be made or lost in a heartbeat. Day trading, as the name suggests, is the act of buying and selling a financial instrument within the same day. Sometimes, this even occurs multiple times over the course of a single day. This isn't your grandfather's buy and hold strategy. It's a high-speed, high-stakes game of timing the market and capitalizing on short-term price fluctuations. The primary goal of day trading isn't to find the next Apple or Amazon and hold on to it for decades. Instead, day traders are looking for quick hits, earning small profits from short-term price fluctuations that can add up over time. Now, there are different types of day traders. Some do this as a full-time job, their eyes glued to multiple screens, fingers poised over the keyboard, ready to execute trades at a moment's notice. Others may dabble in day trading to earn some extra income on the side, testing their market knowledge and trading skills in real time. But let's be clear, successful day trading isn't just about quick reflexes or good luck. It's a career that requires knowledge, skill, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. It requires a deep understanding of market trends, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to make rational decisions when your trades don't go as planned. However, with great potential rewards also comes significant risks. The volatility that makes day trading exciting can also lead to substantial losses. Therefore, it's crucial to approach day trading with a clear understanding and a well-thought-out strategy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's certainly not for the faint-hearted. So if you're up for the challenge, day trading could be an exciting avenue to explore. But remember, always trade responsibly and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Buckle up, because it's going to be an exhilarating ride.